Aguero triple waterfall cave. Normally, it's not that good, but in INX, they decided to buff it. Me and the boys set our eyes on the amount of resources we could farm in our base. But taking it to different stories, so we had to start off on the beach with some PTs.
It's dead. How dare he try and
Yeah, so we
tame
just
a
need to make
PT in our
spikes.
area.
Oh, guy here. Get bullets. He's over here.
Shit. Oh, I almost followed you there. What? Followed him.
You got me. Good crap.
LBing.
Nice. Alright. Let's go get a PT. Unfortunately, others beat us to
Wait,
the
he's there
cave,
again.
so
Do
we
you
had
want me
to
to go?
fight for it.
Alright. If I can get out of base, there we go.
Monkey.
Monkey.
He's getting in the cave?
Yep.
I'm not gonna follow him. He can't get anything
Oh,
else
does
down.
he?
I'm just gonna camp the exit. Just come camp the exit with me. He's in my PT. It's weak as hell.
I'm coming. Wait, your PT's weak, yeah?
Yeah. He made a wood foundation. I'm just like waiting so we can spin the hell out of him.
Looking there's stuff west.
Actually, we
Oh,
should just
he's-
leave. He's
Oh,
accomplishing
I see
nothing.
him.
We can just leave.
Yeah. Can we get this yellow drop just in case someone else is coming up for it?
Yeah, we can just go get turrets and come back. Like, unfortunately, after that, they decided to rewipe the servers because of issues. So, nothing actually happened. We just took the cave and then decided to go get level 100.
Not in the water.
Fuck, I'm on the
Oh, that's only two. We need fiber.
I'm on the.
Then after that, I decided to go get some Spinos Reapers. Unfortunately, there's some copyrighted music in the background of my mic, so I'm not able to share the audio with you. But I do find an interesting encounter. So yeah, I got a Reaper, and I decided to go get some Soakers and start doing some raids. How much?
Like 40.
46!
46.
Oh my
That's
god.
crazy. That's
Oh.
crazy. 46 HP gas bag. If
Well
we get one of
done.
those bread up, we can raid.
We
I'm
need to
doing a
get
few
bread
more
up.
now. Then it was time for some boss fights.
Hey, oh, I just took all. Sorry, Liam.
Doesn't matter.
We're all in the yellow.
Oh,
I'll
thank
put it
God.
in yellow. There you go.
Wait, you gave me your Mayway.
Oh.
Do you want a
Take that back.
haircut?
No, I'm good. I don't need a haircut right now.
Do you want a haircut?
Alright, boys, we
We
need to
need,
do
the,
this.
we need the hair.
We
for
got
the
this.
nanny.
We got this.
My jacket's coming off. It's actually getting pretty hot in my room
Ooh,
since I'm sweating.
yeah.
Oh,
What?
Alright.
Yeah, so we got the glitch where if two people start the boss at the same time, you end up dying, both of you. It's stupid. Thankfully, I was able to get compensation. But then we decided to go do a raid because our base spot was pretty good, but we wanted a better one. All right, shall we commence?
yeah.
Uh,
Or well,
you do-
I can get mate boost in a second, but yeah, sure. Oh, you do roar you.
Ooh, auction's gonna be a little bit tough. I think I have to stoke them like one or two at a time. Wait.
How far are you in there?
We can get... Hope get spam.
I have spam. I spam this stuff.
Run into here. Run in over here. Yeah, these guys were offline. Wasn't really that much fun. We just soaked for like an hour. Because they also had ORP, but yeah, we ended up raiding them. I'll skip to the end. Equip Bloom. Hello?
Didn't make it. I think it was too high or too low. No. It's getting shot by the turret that's up there. I wonder, so if I shoot that... Yeah.
Hit it, yep.
Okay, I need more rockets. Yeah, I need more rockets. Can you grab some for me?
Yep.
Jenny's down. Alright, I'm gonna destroy those heavies.
Get the Reaper.
Oh wait, right, the thing's still there. Alright, I will get Reaper.
You'll have to do the running.
Yeah, we should be able to jump onto this. Let's do this.
Bitch. Got it. Good
Got
shit. Me run!
First, Jenny. Oh,
Actually, first ORP.
Where's my kit?
No clue.
Right
Ooh, wee mama. What do we have here, boys? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Wait, let me shoot another one.
Wait, no. You didn't get the ORP.
Yeah,
Target the ORP.
I'm just gonna start LBing. Yeah, there's.
Oh, they have a good.
Much.
Oh my god, that was a good. What's in the egg incubator? Like this one, wyvern egg. Not good.
What's in there?
Oh my god.
That's a lot of fun. Some damn. Cabbage.
We gotta get the gas bag up here.
Refrigerator. Some veggie cakes. Alright.
Oh, they're farmers.
BPs. Not good ones at all. Just taking all. It was like an assault rifle BP.
I found a Mastercraft crafted flak gauntlets by them. They might have a base somewhere else.
Oh, there's loot in here. So it's just whips and shit. Are they hiding something from us? They have Maywings in here.
Move.
Okay. Yeah.
Go blow up the RP.
Give me a second. I need. We actually need to pick this shit up.
Alright, I'm the last one awake, and I thought it was kind of sussy that all their stuff was there, so I decided to get a parasaur, and yeah, they seem to have quite a bit of stuff down there. Hold up, let me find the Sinnoh, and let's go check it out with my sword. Something crazy is about to happen. I will not spoil it, but get ready. Oh crap, oh my god. Oh my god, no way. These guys are so bad, bro. I should not be alive, holy shit. Where's the last one? I don't know where he is. Throw this out, whistle neutral on it, and we'll go kill the guy. There he is.
Do they have turrets? Oh, well, they have more spam for me. Okay. How are they so bad? Yes! Oh my god! I am... Holy... Oh my god, I need to go get turrets in this place ASAP. Holy crap. Okay, I can try to make metal gates. Yeah, after this, I just played cat and mouse versus Maywin for like, I don't know, 10 minutes. It was not fun. And at this point, it was like 3 AM, and I was pretty tired. And the only one in my tribe who was actually playing the game. I don't know what to do. Bro, I got so happy I found all their secret stuff in there, but then these other people pull up straight after. I'm trying to load everything into the gas bags and teleport away. Are you joking? I'm sorry, you guys saw that net, right? Just making sure I'm not crazy. It was like, hit the main wing, but didn't register. Okay, need to teleport out, get a bed down, and then come back with turrets and place those. Yes, I know, not the greatest ending for today's episode, but I guess today's lesson is that no matter, even if I am the greatest Bob in the world, you still need help from other Bobs. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye.